Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and request samples on Alibaba. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open Alibaba.com and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Once you've done that, simply go ahead into whatever you want to go ahead and purchase and find the manufacturer. I've already made a video on how you can find a manufacturer. So for example, let's say I want to sell these PC cases. Or let's say I want to go ahead and search for pool tables, right? And what I can do is simply go ahead and find the person. So for example, look at that looks beautiful. And if I want to simply go ahead and chat with them now, I'm simply going to go ahead and click on chat now. I'm going to go ahead and talk in the chat with them. So for example, let me show you the previous chats I've had before. So I prefer you go ahead and use translator to simply go ahead and text on Chinese. As you can see here, I've said, hey, this is Himansu and I am buying this is how I want it. And as you can see, he's also saying nice to meet you, I'll send you more about it. And I said I want some good quality designs. He says our product support designs and colors, minimum order quantity is this much. Then I said I want only 50 minimum, and then he said yes, 50 can be mixed. So that's how you simply go ahead and talk to these people, and then you can just request for a sample, pay for the sample itself, and then go ahead and get one. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.